Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Want to know the best way to convert your CAD files into PDF file format? If yes, download 4 and 6 document converter software designed with special forensic features. It allows user to convert your document into multiple file format more easily. Click on Open button and you can see multiple files option available. We are selecting CAD files. And you can see Choose File and Choose Folder option are available. Choose as per requirement, we are selecting Choose Folder option. To upload a complete document folder from the system, select the folder and tap on Select Folder button. Now check the required folder to preview the document. As you see now, all the files from the folder are listed one by one in the software interface. The software provides the export option to convert the document into various file format. We are selecting PDF file format. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Click on Browse button and select a location of converted files. The first is Delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Open folder after export is done. Automatically open the final result after conversion is done. Click on Save button to start the process of conversion. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button. Go to Open folder and click on it. You can see your converted file. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.